In this lesson, I will tell you about Presspull command of AutoCAD 3D. So with the help of extrude command, you are able to add thickness to the closed 2D geometries. For using extrude, you need to have a completely closed and a single geometry like this polyline or this circle. But extrude command cannot be used for a geometry like this where we have these type of separate lines. But for Presspull command, all these restrictions does not exist, and you can select the islands between objects for making a 3D object. So let me tell you that with an example. So here we have this Presspull command. Select this command, and now instead of selecting the geometry, move your cursor inside the area. Now I have moved my cursor inside this area. I'm not clicking on any geometry, and let's click. So you'll notice that it detects the island, and now this will give a height to that island. Let's click here, and here we have this geometry. In a similar way, you can click inside this area or any other area also and give this a thickness. Let's press enter to exit this command. Now let's change the visual style to shaded so that the effect is clearly visible. Let's press Ctrl Z to return back to the 2D geometries. Now you can also do this with multiple islands. So let's select this Presspull, select this island or any other island, and now click on this multiple, and now your command will continue, and you can keep on selecting more islands from this geometry. Once your selection is done, press enter and give all of these geometries a height. So let's give this height, and let's now change visual style to shaded, and you'll see the complete change here. So in this way you can use Presspull command. So you can use Presspull command not only for this kind of geometry, you can also use Presspull command for any face. So let's select this Presspull and now click on this face. So when you click on this face, you'll be able to give this face a thickness again. Now let's press enter to exit this command. And now let's move on to this geometry. In this geometry, we'll first extrude it along a direction. So let's select extrude, select this rectangle, press enter, and now select the direction and give this line as the direction of extrusion. So here we have this extrusion. Now let's orbit this drawing to see it more clearly. If we select Presspull command to further add thickness to the top of this, it will add the thickness but in the Z direction. Let's do this. Let's select this Presspull, click on this top face, and now move it upwards. Now when you'll see this geometry with the front view, you'll notice that it is moving in the top direction along the Z axis. But what if we want to extrude it along the same direction, which is tapered? So for that we need to use a different process of using this Presspull command. So let's press Ctrl Z, and now here we have this geometry. So let's select this Presspull. Now press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and click on this top face, and now you'll notice that your geometry will move along the path of this geometry. Let's click here, and when you click on front view, you'll notice that this moves along the path of the geometry after selecting the Presspull. So in this way you can use Presspull command on a variety of geometries in AutoCAD 3D. In the next lesson, I will tell you about revolve command of AutoCAD.